And then once that raw now patch is on that jam, do you need to do anything to it before you go ahead and paint?
Yeah, you got to give it a good coat of a good primer for sure. You know, you want to seal up all those pores that it may not look like there's pores, but obviously, you know, the type of material is going to have small pores that need to be sealed. You don't want to just throw paint on it and you're just going to multi-coat after coat and trying to fill the voids, but that's what the primer's going to do.
So we're going to take the eraser pad and we're going to get the body oils off of the jams, particularly around the doorknobs and the latches and whatever. We're going to fill the drywall holes of the paintings and the posters and whatnot. We can just do that with a non-shrinking joint compound. That's pretty simple.
Yep. Yeah, definitely. Just your basic kind of all-purpose, like you said, joint compound, spackle, things like that. Something that's not going to shrink.
Rosie on the house, every Arizona home.